Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.com making this video about the gold. I'm making videos about the gold because that's the only thing is moving right now. All the forex market, the whole forex market, all the pairs are static right now, not moving. So let's hit the gold then. All right, so this is the chart that I made on 2nd September, gold weekly chart, saying that this is what's happening. It's like wave 1, 2 probably, and then followed by wave 3, 4, 5. This is the one that we're supposed to be going to finish wave 5. According to my monthly chart here, you can see here that this is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So I just mentioned everything on yesterday. So this was the chart I made, and then what happened? It came down all the way, exactly 18, close to 1802. It came down actually 1810, and then I see this 1807 here. So and then start to pull back. So I said, okay, this is probably the end of wave 2, and then we now gonna go up for wave 5, for wave 3 of wave 5, right? So the first target was this, 1959, and in yesterday's video, I also mentioned that my target is 1959. I made the video when the price was around here somewhere, right? So I said we're gonna go up. 1959 is the first target, and then if we break that, we might be going to the upside more. That would be something like this. Okay, we're gonna go there, and if we break 1959, then 2080, and then maybe more, right? But this was the chart that I made yesterday, 18th, saying that, okay, this is where we are now. I mean, we're supposed to be going there, and we did, right? Today, I record this chart today, I guess. Yeah. So this is how it is. We hit this, and now we're pulling back, right? So what's happening now is my 40-minute chart. My 40-minute chart, if you look at it, you can see that this gives me the turning points, right? These are Renko charts, by the way. So yesterday, remember I said that the price sitting on the 1920 and probably going to bounce and go for 1959. So look, 1920 is right there. Okay. Where's the number? I don't have the number here. So 1920 is this line here. So it bounced from here exactly. Red candle, then I have a reversal candle, a blue candle, and then start to go to the upside. Right. So what did I do? Did I take any benefit? Yeah. So I was long here, and then I closed somewhere here, but I forgot to record the chart. I was in a hurry. I closed that trade without, so I don't have to that one to show. But this one I got in again here somewhere. Let me show you the trade. That's my smaller time frame, 200 brick, 150 brick size, and that trade I took it like this. So this is 1920, right? So my first one I closed here somewhere, and it says, well, deal with it. So it was right around. See this wobble? That's my 150-minute long entry. And then I closed that. But then again, I got in here, and before I closed this one, I recorded it. So you can see this here all the way from 1937 to, this is supposed to be 1959. Wrote here 1958, but it went up to all the way 1962. I closed it. I says, this is it. It's gonna retrace from here. What happening is exactly what I said, that is gonna retrace, and look right here, 1959, and boom, it came down. Now after that, it went up again. I didn't touch it. My thing to do. That was my time to do different things. So now it came back here, and this is a high of 1949. Now this is the exact time. It's 7 o'clock. The move is about to start. The reversal candle is already in place, and now it's gonna go up again. So first target again is gonna break. It's gonna go hit the 1959, break that, and then it will be going. I would say the extension of this here. You pay attention. So there is a level, it's 1965, and this 127 is coming to 1968. 1965 is right there. Okay. So if you break 1959, we're going to go to 1965, then 1998, and then 2000, 70, 74, 80. These will come into play. That would be, this chart would look like this. All right. Break this 1959, go towards this. So yeah, so I'm watching, see, man, I missed the entry anyway, so I'm going to wait for another entry. This was a good entry right there, right? And yeah, my son took it, but I was making a video, so I missed it. But it's gonna wobble again. and I'll get in again. So these are Renko charts, give me a precise entry at will with my analysis. And this is how I do it, right? So yesterday I said it's going to go up, and I took it, and I just showed you the trade that I took is from 1937 to 1962. The first was from here, 19, I think there was entry was 1923 to here, right? So now after retracement, again, the game is starting again, and then I will be looking for another entry. Tokyo session starts hour and a half from now. So I'm still okay, even though I missed this entry. Fine, thank you, no problem. It will give me several entries like this one. See, if it start to go up, this is how it goes. You see that? Was down, 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 and then all of a sudden it's a reversal candle, and then entry, 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 and so on and so forth. So this is how it's gonna give me again, and I'll take it from here. Right? First entry I miss. Okay, no problem. It will come. In fact, now I'm gonna wait until the Tokyo session starts, and after that I'll take the entry. And then I'll show you my trade tomorrow again. Okay, so this is it for now. Prepare all my subscribers, right? My paid subscribers, please email me to so that I can give you the exact brick size on a 40-minute chart and my 20-minute chart. The current chart that I'm using is a little bit different than I told you before. Why? Because market changes, right? Whatever is happening in the Middle East, the market is getting screwed up, right? Everybody buying gold, gold is fast moving towards the upside. Forex is static, still not moving at all. And then, stock markets are also, wobbling here, there, up and down, right? So need to be very careful and need to make some changes. So I made some changes to the brick size of this 40-minute chart and the 20-minute chart. So please contact me, email me, and I will give you the brick sizes, proper brick sizes, and then I'll show you how to take it. I mean, I already showed you, right? So you see a reversal candle here, like this one. See, right now I have a reversal candle, one blue candle. The first blue candle is in the making, right? And that's where you look the 20-minute for entry. And it's also, you see, it's making a turn. So all the EMAs will be turned to the upside, and then again it's going to dip, give me the entry, and I'll take it. And then right all the way to the upside. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get these opportunities right on time, so you can take advantage of it. Okay. So bye for now, and talk to you guys tomorrow maybe.